Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add fade text animation in Canva. As you can see right now we are having a blank template, right? It's a video template. Now we are going to add some color to this background. So I have selected this template and clicked on color palette above, and here we can add whatever color we want, right? So I have added this. Now we are going to add a heading, and for example I am just going to type Bikana, and we are going to increase the size of this text. Okay, and now let's make it to center. Done. Now we are going to add effect on this text for animate. So we are going to click on animate, and here in the animate you can simply search for the fade animation, and here you can increase or decrease the speed, right? You can select this writing style as character, and you can decrease the speed, or if it takes too long you can increase the speed, right? So this is how you can simply add a fade text animation in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.